Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be making fisherman soup with a twist. So I'm going to be using meat for this recipe instead of the normal fish. So now the reason why I'm doing this is that in my other recipe that I made, I had a comment or comments where someone was asking if it's possible to make this soup with meat or chicken instead of the usual fish. And I found myself trying to be like, oh yeah, you always have to do it with the fish, but then I decided, you know what, maybe I'm going to try making it with meat and fish, because like I always say, there is no set rules when it comes to cooking, right? So now I'm going to be doing exactly that. I'm going to be making this recipe with beef and with smoked chicken. But as usual, you can just go right ahead and use fish if you want to. That's all normal and that's all accepted. So I cooked my protein of choice. I steamed it. When it was halfway done, I added my stockfish and my dried fish. Then I went in with more water so that it can be able to cook completely. And then after that, I boiled my cocoyam, and now it's done. I cooled it down a bit with cold water, blended it up, and then I'm going to add it in a bowl and set it aside for use later. So while that is happening, our meat is almost done. So we're going to bring that out, place it in a bowl for use later. Now to make the soup proper, you're going to go in with palm oil. You're going to heat it up a little bit, then go in with your onions. You're going to fry these onions on low heat until it becomes translucent. Then you're going to go in with your pepper mix. So for this pepper mix, I used tatachi, scotch bonnet peppers, and some bell peppers. You're going to give that a stir and let it fry for a little bit, and then you're going to go in with seasoning cubes, some salt, and then give it another stir. After stirring, we're going to go right ahead and add them back our proteins with the stock. So when you do that, you're going to go in with some crayfish. You add your crayfish, then you're going to go in with your Uziza seeds. This Uziza seeds is very compulsory in this soup, okay? That's what gives it that taste and that aroma. Then you're going to give it a stir, cover it up, and then after a few minutes, maybe 5 to 8 minutes, you're going to open it back up and add in your blended cocoyam. When you do that, you're going to give it a stir. You stir it properly so that everything is well combined and everything is well incorporated. Then we're going to cover that, cook it for another 5 minutes until it's thickened, and then you're going to add your Uziza leaves. Someone was asking whether they can use spinach or ugu for this recipe. But no, it's always proper and is the main thing to use for this soup. Uziza seeds and Uziza leaves. You can find it at any shop where they sell African stuff or at the market. When you're done adding that, you're going to cover and cook for additional 3 minutes. After that, you're going to give it a test, and then you're going to turn the heat off, and that's it. Our fisherman soup is ready. This recipe is so delicious, so nice. I couldn't really find any difference between this and the one cooked with fish. So I'm going to be doing the two of them. To be honest, it's all very nice. You can serve this with fufu, with oats, with curry, or any swallow of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.